Howdy vibers! What's up? Hey, have you seen Neo? Oh, there you are! What? This? This, my friend, is water. The most precious gift given to us, that's human from our mother nature. You know, I'm 70% made up of water. I mean, not just me, every human on this planet is made up of water. Tell me one thing, do you guys have water at your planet? No, really? Water is so important that we use it for a variety of purposes, right from drinking, to cleaning, to irrigation and even generating electricity. Keeping this aside, let's get back to the topic of the day, which is electronic circuit. And we'll be saying it using H2O, which is nothing but the chemical composition of water. Can you get that pipe for me? You know what electronic circuit actually is? It is arrangement of wires and different electronic components to form a closed loop that allows the charge to flow. When we talk about electronic circuits, there are many terms that come into our head, like power source, which is battery, current, resistance, and wires. I saw what you're doing there. Let me explain. Now, when I place the pipe on the table, is the water inside it moving? Now, when I lift it up, can you guess what is happening? You're more intelligent than I. Yes, the water inside the pipe is flowing due to the difference of height or level. Basically, water flows from a higher end to a lower end. This was one way of flowing the water or moving the water. Can you think of something else? Wait, I'll show you how. Ta-da! This pipe is similar to the previous one. The only difference here is the pump. This pump makes the water flow in the pipe without moving the pipe itself. It takes water from one end and throws it out from other end at high pressure. This pressure difference makes the water flow continuously inside the system. Can you tell me what happens when we press the pipe? Nice! It reduces the flow of water. Now, if you remember, I told you that we are going to talk about electronic circuit. How do you think all this came into the picture? Not able to find the link? I'll tell you why. The battery is similar to the pump, wire resembles the pipe, and the current is similar to the flow of water. The voltage is represented by the pressure difference generated by the water pump, and resistance is represented by the pressed pipe. Now that we have a rough idea about electronic circuit, we'll see about each element in detail in upcoming videos. Till then, see ya!